Greetings to all! In today's class, we are going to learn how to handle some selection tricks in Sketchup. Let's get started. Following two preceding actions, our goal is to find the intersection lines of the sphere and the plane. So we select the sphere and all the planes, then we click the right mouse button, then select Intersect Faces, option followed by with Model option. This action will give us the interaction lines. Next, we have to delete all the unnecessary planes. SketchUp and AutoCAD have the same mechanism, where we can click and drag from the right to the left, and everything within the selection box is selected. So to do this, we simply click and drag from left to right, and only elements completely within the box are selected. So we click and drag from the right to left, then delete all the planes to obtain 12 curved lines dividing the sphere. Today we learn some selection tricks that are going to be useful after. We are getting closer to finish our beach ball. Let's stop learning for now. Goodbye.